I'll start out.
Okay.
Okay, we're here today looking at a beautiful, fully restored 1960 Series II Land Rover. It's a D109. Let's take a look up here. We're going to do a cold start on this one, so we'll look in the engine bay, and we can reach down here and you can touch right down here on the exhaust header. So it's a cold engine. We're going to walk back this beautiful thing and be able to go in here. So if you'll go ahead and show us how this thing starts up.
Got to turn the battery on.
All right, turn the battery on.
Yeah, flip the switch.
Okay. We've got a safety device on here. Keep the battery fresh when it's not being used. It's in place now. Okay.
Okay. And when we turn it on, the ignition light comes on.
Okay.
This is the choke.
Okay.
And this is the starter bit.
That's right up. All right, there you have it.